Hello everyone. Point of sale order label module will help in creating and order labels to differentiate the products. Once this module is installed, we need to do some configuration. So let's get into the settings. In the point of sale, we need to enable an option for label configurations where you can see an order line label. Okay, so once you have enabled this option, this will add an order line in the point of sale, and you can see the same on the print, and you can delete the order line that we have added, and you can see the label product. Okay, so once this will be done, let's get into the point of sale. So here you can see and create a label option. So for example, let's create a label for an chair. Okay, so after creating a label, let's click on the confirm option. There you can see the cancel option too. Okay, now let's add an product. Okay, in the category of chair. So here you can see the delete option which is available here. Okay, if you click on that delete option, it will delete all the products belongs to that category. Okay, now let's add an same chair as a label. Okay, so once this is done, let's add an product here. Now, like the same way, I'm going to add an another label. So for that, we need to create a label for desk. Okay, now I'm going to add an product for desk. So here I'm going to add an product for a desk. Okay, so once everything is done, let's do a payment. Okay, we have enabled the same label will be available in the receipt too, so it will be showing the same on the receipt. So in this way we can make use of this module to help in creating and order labels to differentiate the products. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and point of sale related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated point of sale features that we have. Thanks for watching.